Temperature got really cold. Everything got blown around in the back. And that guy's shingles are popping up. We recently had some storms come through North Texas around mid-March, early March. High winds, hail resulted in damaged roofs and fences. As parents, we are then charged to deal with the aftermath. Our children don't know much about what's happening, they just know it's a scary storm. We sheltered in place for a while due to the sirens and the alarms, then the possibility of a tornado. And our goal was to provide the kids with reassurance and a sense of safety. Thanks for watching.